I'm going to show you how to start up and use the TOPMARK NEO laser printer with Project Complete software. The TOPMARK NEO is a 20-watt power laser printer from Phoenix Contact. First, make any necessary adjustments to the power cables, interface cables, and vacuum hose. Then power on the printer and the extraction unit. You can use the integrated color touch display, but in this demonstration, we are using the Project Complete marking software. Open the Project Complete software and add the TOPMARK NEO by going to File, then Printer Configurations, click New, then choose the TOPMARK NEO. The software connects the printer to the PC, and now you're ready to create a marking file and send it to the printer. The extraction unit is turning on and the laser will print in a few seconds. The TOPMARK NEO can process up to 250 labels per minute. It's as easy as it looks. Fiber laser technology provides a maintenance-free operation. Mark plastic and metal plates for terminals, conductors, cables, devices, and plant markers. For more information, go to phoenixcontact.com/neo.